Meaning of develop.
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 Develop. Develop refers to the process of creating or improving something over time. It involves gradual progress towards a specific goal through experimentation, testing, and refinement. The result of development can vary depending on the context, but it typically involves a tangible or intangible outcome that is more advanced, refined, or useful than the starting point. This can include the creation of new technology, the growth of knowledge and understanding, the enhancement of skills or abilities, or the improvement of a system or process. Ultimately, development enables progress and advancement in various fields and industries.